The author uses the phrase quiet, frozen desert to suggest which aspect about Mars. A. Dust storms are frequent on Mars. B. Mars is a volcanically active planet. C. Nothing has happened on Mars for 1 billion years. Or D. Water on Mars is frozen beneath its surface. Let's begin by locating the context of the phrase quiet, frozen desert in the text. We see this in the very first sentence, which tells us that the barren landscape of Mars makes the planet seem like a quiet, frozen desert where nothing has happened for billions of years except for the occasional dust storm. Already based on this, we can mark off choice A, which suggests that dust storms are common on Mars, as the text tells us they're infrequent. Choice B says definitively that Mars is a volcanically active planet, while the text only says that it could be volcanically active, so choice B can be marked off as well. We are left with C and D. Nothing has happened on Mars for 1 billion years, and water on Mars is frozen beneath its surface. Although choice D does mention the water frozen under Mars' surface, it doesn't take into account the quiet part of quiet frozen desert, which we see reflected in choice C. Nothing has happened for 1 billion years. Although choice D could technically be correct, choice C is more all-encompassing, which is important to take into account with questions like these. Based on this, we can mark choice C, nothing has happened on Mars for 1 billion years, as our final answer.